the state government's universal pass system, which is connected to COVID directly. So how will the fully vaccinated people will be allowed to book their tickets from their mobile phone and their UPS apps?
Since 30th October 2021, Maharashtra government has allowed travel in the Mumbai suburban system, even for those who want to carry out a single journey. So, but the issue of ticket requires availability of universal pass. So this process required a person to produce the universal pass on the ticket window before obtaining a ticket. So this was taking time and also queuing and crowding at the ticket windows. So this issue was taken up by Central Railway with the help of state government and CRIS to find a solution, and we have used the UTS on mobile app, which had been deactivated during the COVID, to provide an interface of the UTS on mobile app with the universal pass and also the CoWIN app of the government. So now with this linkage, an update is being provided on the UTS on mobile app, which is a forced update, and after the update, once a person wants to buy a ticket through the UTS on mobile app, he will be asked to give the mobile number which had been used for the CoWIN registration, and with that mobile number, vaccination status will be verified while buying the ticket, and after verification of the vaccination status, the ticket will be issued. But in the background, this process will be carried out through the Universal Pass app, so which means that only if a person has the Universal Pass, he will be able to buy the ticket. If a person has both the vaccination but has not got the Universal Pass issue, he will not be able to buy the ticket. So this update is now already available on the Google Play Store, and the process for making it available on the Apple Store is already on, which is expected to be completed by tonight. And once the update is available on both the Android as well as Apple Store, this app will be launched, which we expect to be done by tomorrow morning. So from tomorrow morning, we expect that this facility will be available to the passengers, and we believe that this will give a significant relief to the passengers for buying the tickets, as they will not be required to queue up at the ticket windows.
So will there be any exception in this app for booking tickets which are already available at ticket counters, or it will be completely similar to all the facilities given at the ticket counters, like whatever state government has allowed in terms of monthly pass, quarterly pass, half-yearly pass, or single journey tickets, everything can be booked, or is there any exception on this app?
No, in this facility, the ticket can be booked only for those passengers who have got both the vaccination doses. This cannot be availed for the persons with comorbidities or the persons with less than 18 years age who have not done the vaccination, as this entire process is through the process of verification of vaccination.
So,